Hey, YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're at 7,129. We're down 2.14%. What I wanted to point out was yesterday we put in a bullish engulfing candle pattern. And what happened was it also came right around support. So what's nice about that is the fact that we wicked down here previously to around, we'll call it $6,500. And what happened was we ended up having this bullish engulfing candle right at that same area. So you can see the bulls stepped in on heavier volume than what we had been having. So that's a good thing. You want to see that with the bullish engulfing candle. And what we did, we came back up to test this 20 EMA. And that's an important area for us. And now what we're looking at today is to see if we're going to slowly cool off here, if we're going to have a day or two of slight downside before we come up here and try to get over resistance at 7,804. That's the first area we're going to have to break. After we break that, if we are to break that, we'll need to get out of this downtrend channel that we've been in for 6 months. That is the key. We've came up here and tested it several times. We need to get out of it on big volume. So now what we're looking for is to see if this is going to be the start, if this is going to be the bottom here, where we start to have that reversal. And what I also like is this bullish engulfing candle with this stochastic cross taking place at the same time. I still would want heavier volume. I would like to see something along this lines here, but we're going to have to see. So now we're in this channel between 7,804 and 6,384, and we're going back and forth here. And that's the big battle that we're having now. So you're going to have to watch these areas. They're going to be very important for us. But overall, I like to see this. So in terms of the positives right now, I like to see the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern that we're having. It's coming on support. It came on heavier volume. We're having our stochastic cross. And right now, we've been in a downtrend for over 6 months. And guys, we're in that intermediate to longer term downtrend now, and eventually that bottom is going to have to be found. Now, to the downside, some of the negatives that I'm seeing here. We're still below our 20 EMA in purple, and we're below this 40 EMA. And this 40 has been really good for cryptocurrency. If you look back here, you can see a lot of these retracement areas. After we pump, we came back into this area. So this has been supported quite a few times when we were in our uptrend, and then when we've been in our downtrend, for the most part, besides when we had these really big manipulation wicks where the whales stepped in and then they ripped it right back out, you know, for the most part, we've stayed below that to the downside. So I think it's a key area for us to watch, this 20 and this 40. But I would like to see continuation of this. You know, it's almost like a little double bottom that we're having right here, but we need to see continuation of it. Otherwise, this is just going to be some quick manipulation, and we're just going to start breaking back down through that 6,384. And what I wanted to look at was our Fibonacci next. And I think it's important to always pay attention to the Fibonacci. And what we're going to do is go from our swing low up to our swing high. And if you get some from these videos, guys, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you all have been here with me on the channel. It's great to be here with you every day, or almost every day. You know, you guys have been great to me and leaving lots of comments and everything, so I really appreciate you. What we were looking at here, you can see we got up and we closed slightly above this 0.618. So we lost it here. Guys, that was 7,224. We lost it and we went as low as 63.91. So yesterday we closed up above it, so that's a good thing. But today we're going to have to see what happens. If we're going to just continue to move sideways, and then we're going to have another pop-up to test top of this channel, or if this was just, you know, a quick reaction and we're going to start falling back down. Those are the things that I'm looking at. But we're back to this battle over the 0.618. So when people say Fibonacci levels are not important, I would greatly disagree. I think watching when you're in a strong uptrend and you're moving up hard and fast, sometimes if you're extremely bullish, you'll only have a retracement to the 0.236. The next level I like to look at a lot, you'll see a lot of bounces, is the 0.382 and that 0.5. And then obviously you have the 0.618, that kind of golden pocket area that you'll get in cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency has a very deep retracements. That's one of the things you'll notice about it. It has very deep retracements, and it has explosive moves, just like over here when we went from $7,300 all the way up to about $1,400, and that happened in the matter of a month. I mean, that's how fast and how aggressive this market moves in both directions. So, I just want to put this out there for you guys. We're getting a bullish engulfing candle. That's good. We're getting a stock cross on it. We had a little bit more volume. So we're going to have to start closing up above these moving averages. And then I want to see us start getting up above this downtrend line. Right now, I'm currently still just sitting back, watching Bitcoin, seeing what's taking place. My area that I'm planning for is if I start to see a nice break out of here, this downtrend channel that we've had these lower highs on significant volume, that's what I'm looking for. I want to step into something like that, because you get a trend line break out of 6 months on heavy volume in the cryptocurrency space, it could run so hard, so fast and aggressively. So I just want to have more confirmation at the point that I'm at right now. So that's what I want to bring to you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Appreciate all of you. God bless.